March is a time of transition, and as the weather moves from winter to spring and we set our clocks 1 hour ahead soon, why not use the time to reset the clock on the efficiency of your home's heating and cooling system? Big Mountain Heating and Air is here to assist through all of the changing seasons with their multiple services provided. Here to tell us more is Farron Larson. Hey, Farron.
That was well said.
Yeah. This is my producer. So, Farron, what is the biggest reason furnaces break down when it gets really cold like it is right now, or vice versa when we're using the AC more and it's really hot?
I like to come on and remind the folks it's really pretty simple, and it's all kinds of parts in the system. I could go for the next minute naming parts, but it's dirt that usually causes them to break down, and so dirt is the biggest reason for breakdowns. Outside unit, you got it floating in your house. You don't know that you do until you get a sunshine ray coming through, but we all have it. And it gets collected in a filter maybe, but it doesn't all get collected in that filter, and it gets into the blower motor. It gets into the, it gets into our lungs if it's in your house and you're breathing it. It's a health issue. It creates a situation where you're paying more for your heating and air conditioning bills, which is half of your bill. A lot of people don't know that, of your bill that you pay to SMUD, PG&E, or maybe Roseville Electric. It's a huge deal, and if you're a homeowner and you haven't been taking care of your system, we can really help you folks out there with a loss leader pricing service.
Yeah, and right now a lot of people are getting sick, so we don't want to add on to that.
Like
you
you
mentioned, like me. I know I was sick last week, but I don't want to add to that with a dirty furnace or filter. So what is unique about the service Big Mountain offers our YCL viewers?
Well, as you can see in the little clip that we put together here, it's comprehensive. I always mention it's not a sales gimmick, and I mention it because so many of these tune-ups of a furnace or an air conditioner is a gimmick to get a technician in there to sell you something, and we'd love to sell you something, but we don't focus on doing that. We focus on 2, 3, sometimes even 4 hours in your home. So you do have to set aside some time if you take advantage, and you should, of the special that we have here at the price that we offer it to at least 10 folks when we come on your show, Desiree.
All right, and I want to clarify, is Big Mountain's YCL service giving viewers a guarantee against the air conditioner and furnace, both against the breakdown for the next year?
Yeah, that's the other thing. I mean, it's not that far away before we'll be complaining about the heat. And it's a guarantee for a year. It's not just the winter, it's also, so if you take advantage of that, as you see on the screen there, $69 to the first 10 callers. We guarantee it against breakdown the rest of this winter, through the summer, and almost all of the winter next year, because it's a 1-year guarantee, like you asked, for that loss leader pricing, and or the service is going to be free. And it's not insurance, but it's I like to call it comfort insurance, because you know who to call, and it's guaranteed against breakdown. And I do want to point this out.
Yeah.
We service now Solano County and San Joaquin County. We've expanded our area of service. And so don't hesitate to call. If you've called before and you've been turned down, call.
All right, and why is it important that people jump on this special offer now, even though maybe their furnace or AC, they're not having issues with it?
Well, I like to use the analogy, why do you get in, and it's not insurance, but why do you you don't insure your car after you have a problem. You don't call and get a special rejuvenation after it breaks down. You want to do it before it breaks down and have that guarantee and that comfort of knowing that it is guaranteed against breakdown with a very, very comprehensive service at a very low price of only $69 for both pieces of equipment.
All right, special offer for the first 10 viewers. Thanks, Farron.
Thank you, Desiree.
All right, for more info on their heating and air services, visit bigmountainair.com.